आदरणीय मंत्री महोदय शरद पवार जी, राकेश कक्कर जी, and Mr. Vijay Varghia and Rajiv Agarwal Sahab, Anjani Sinha, and the dignitaries sitting on the dais. I welcome for this 6th global event which we have been doing for the pulses. About 7 years back, we have identified pulses are going to be the shortage, and that is the reason we have been continuously organizing this seminar to get all the stakeholders onto the same dais to discuss and take the issues of industry of pulses right from the whole value chain, from production to processing to the marketing. In this, our endeavor has been to get all the stakeholders onto a common platform. In the first years, it was really not possible, but over a period, in the last seminar, we had a regional event which was done in ICRISAT, where from scientists to farmers to processors to producers, everybody was there on the same stage trying to discuss the issues. In the pulses, we have few issues like, if you look at the production, we have 3 parts. One is in terms of the rain-fed agriculture, where we need to increase the productivity. And there is a marginal lands where we can focus on pulses, as our Honorable Minister has stressed yesterday. And the third one is what we call is the focused agriculture, where we can actually grow pulses to meet the need of the hour. The second stage in this seminar, over the day, we will be discussing various technical issues in terms of your breeding, and then good agriculture practices, and also the processing, and at the same time reducing the harvesting losses. This is the focus, to contain what we have on the ground and to improve our productivity, not only in terms of the yield, but also in terms of the capability of maintaining the existing crop. The third aspect is in terms of getting the imports, in like you are doing the outsourcing in other areas. There is a move now to people to go outside to grow pulses for India and for Indian market and bring it to India. These are the 3 approaches. One, we can look at the productivity part. And in terms of the trade, we have been seeing that pulses has been constantly a short supply. So to protect the consumer interests, we need to have some kind of a long-term policy for at least 3 million tons, which we have been seeing over a period of years. And then later on, we can look at the quarter to quarter or month to month. This is in terms of the market intervention. And the last one, in our opinion, and what we're trying to endeavor is to look at take a estimated, calculated risk in terms of how much we should get in and how much what we should do in terms of the imports. So these are that is looking at the consumption pattern and the growing pattern, and look at the demand supply gap and the substitutability. We do not have any formal study so far in terms of the consumption pattern and the substitutability of this pulses, so that we are able to adjust our production according to that. So with these few words, I request keynote address from our CEO. Okay. Now I request dignitaries on the stage to light the lamp as a mark of the seminary. This seminar, as an inauguration, I welcome you all to this seminar, the traders, the scientists, and all the stakeholders. We will start and proceed the lighting of the lamp, and then we proceed for the next function. Yeah.